Hey, Mike with MacDonald.com here, the channel where we help business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the fastest way of how to create a QR code for your business. So let's get into it. Now, if you're looking to use a QR code, it's basically an image that you can scan and direct people to a web page for your business. So you can use this for your home page, a sales page, maybe you've got a lead magnet that you're using. Maybe you want to send people to your Google My Business page to leave a review. There's all kinds of options you can do to promote your business with a QR code. And so the fastest way to do it, you can do it on both Google Chrome and a Microsoft Edge browser, but it's incredibly simple. All you need to do is go to the page that you want to create a QR code for, and then right click with your mouse. And then it has this option right here, create a QR code for this page. So you can click on that and then it'll give you the QR code. You'll be able to scan that and it'll take them right to that page. You can also hit download and then it will download that image. And then you could share that around on other things. You can put that on brochures, business cards, whatever the case might be. Very simple to do. So again, very easy. Here's a landing page I have for the ultimate guide to small business marketing. Just right click, create a QR code. Boom, there you go. Now, again, very simple. You can also do this for things like a YouTube channel. Let's say you want to promote that or a specific YouTube video. Again, maybe a sales page that you have. Same deal, right click. This time it's on Microsoft Edge. Create that QR code, and there you go. This one doesn't have the little dinosaur, so if you want maybe a potentially more professional version for your business, this might be the way to go. But again, same type of deal. People can scan this and go directly to the landing page or website that you want them to go to. And again, you can download that to get the image as well and be able to scan that. So again, pretty simple on how you can download a QR code and create one for your business to use for marketing. So again, implement this in your business. It can help you drive a lot of traffic to your offers with that QR code. And drop a like if you like this video, if you got some value out of it. And also, if you'd like to generate more traffic, leads, and sales for your business, be sure to download our ultimate guide to small business marketing. And so if you'd like to download that, there'll be a link in the description below. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.